Hey, hello everyone. So today we are going to see about stacks in C++ STL. So first let me begin by giving a basic definition of what is a stack. Okay. So a stack is a last in first out, okay, container. So consider this as a container, okay. So it's last in first out. So consider we are pushing one, okay, inside a container. So let's consider 1B here, 2B here and 3B here. So by pushing means that S be our stack. So first we are putting S dot push 1 and then we are doing S dot push 2, S dot push 3. Okay. So this is how we are pushing it. So last in first out. So this is the first in, okay, and this is the last in. 3 is our last in element. So now what if you want to delete an element, okay? So we'll be doing S dot pop. Okay. So since our stack is a last in first out, 3 will be getting deleted. Okay, and if you again do S dot pop, 2 will be getting deleted, and if you again do S dot pop, then only 1 will be getting deleted at the end. So that is last in LIFO. Okay, stack Q is FIFO, first in first out, and stack is LIFO. So stack is pretty much really simple. It has only 4 to 5 important functions. One is push for inserting, and pop is for deleting, and we have empty to check whether our stack is empty or whether it has any elements in it, and we have size to check the number of elements present in our stack, and we also have top. So top is basically used to display the lastly inserted element. So suppose if we had 3 to 1, consider 3 to 1, if we put S dot top means we will be getting the value as 3 as the output. And another important thing that you need to note in stack is that we can't access the element through indexes. Like if you put S dot S of 0 means we won't be getting 1 as the output. We can't do that like in vectors or arrays. So for displaying the contents, we need to use a while loop and just do S dot top and S dot pop repeatedly. That's the only way we can get the elements present inside of stack. So now let's just go ahead and code. Okay, so the header file for stack is hash include stack. So you can use this hash include stack, or you can go with this entire bit slash stdc++.h. So it's your wish. So now same thing as we did for vectors. So it's going to be stack, the data type, the name of our stack. So let S be our name of our stack. So for vector it will be vector int v. For stack it's going to be stack. That's it. That's the difference. So here this can be anything. It can be a string or int or float. Here we're going with int. Okay, so first thing what we can do is we can just insert something. So I'll put S dot push. Okay, for vector it was push back. For stack it's just push. So I'll just push 1. Okay, so now let me show you how it works, the size. So I'll put S dot size. Okay, I will put cout sizes, and let me have here an yendl. Copy and paste it. So here we are just going to put S dot empty. Okay, so let's go for it and see what we will be getting in the output. So here we are getting the output as size is 1 and the S dot empty has written 0. So which means that our stack isn't empty. So if it isn't empty, we'll be getting 0, and if the stack is empty, we will be getting the output as 1. So like if I just make the stack empty now, so I'll just put S dot pop over here. So which means I'm removing that element. Okay, so I'm pushing 1, now I'm popping it. That means the stack is empty again. So if I just execute this now, I will be getting size is 0, and next time I will be getting for S dot empty I will be getting 1. So as you can see, size is 0 and S dot empty is true because our stack is empty. So I'm getting the output as 1. So that's it. So let me just push more elements. I will put S dot push 2 and I'll put S dot push 3 as well over here. So I will just show you how S dot top works. So if I just run this now, top element is so I'm getting size as well as 3 and top element is 3. So now if I just put s dot pop, I'll be getting both the size and s dot, the topmost element will be 2 as well, because 3 is getting removed and size is also getting decreased. So 2, that's fine. So now let's just see the final one, like how to display the contents present inside our stack. So for that we'll be using a while loop. Okay, so while we are just going to print the contents present inside our stack until it gets empty. Okay, so once it gets empty, we need to stop the while loop. So for that we will be using while, so stack shouldn't be empty, so s dot empty. So this is our condition. So if the stack isn't empty, we will be running this while loop continuously, and if the stack is empty, it will return 1. So if this becomes 1, this is not operator, so it will be 0. That's basically how it works. So if it isn't empty, s dot empty will return 0, not operator will make it 1, so while loop will be running. That's simple. So what we will do here is we will do C out. Let's just give some space and let's just put s dot top. Okay, and next slide we will be doing s dot pop. That's it. So by using this we will be getting like the contents present inside our stack, and how it works is basically is that our stack will be like this. So let me just draw it over here. Okay, so our stack will be like 1, 2 and 3. So the first thing is s dot top. So what will happen is that C out s dot top. So in my output over here I will be getting 3. Okay, 3 will come first, and next thing is s dot pop. So 3 will be getting removed, and this condition will be checking whether my stack is empty, and my stack isn't empty. So what happens is that again s dot top will work. So I'll be getting 2 over here, and s dot pop. So 2 will be removed. So same thing, it will check whether it's empty, then 1 will be displayed and 1 will be popped, and at the end our stack is empty. So this condition breaks over here, and that's it, while loop terminates. So this is how it works. So now let me just run this first. And I'll go to, I'm getting 3 to 1. That's fine. And another important thing is that now if you do C out s dot size, and if you put C out s dot empty, we'll basically see that our stack is empty now. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, so 0, 1, okay, these are the values. 3 to 1 are the contents present inside our stack, and 0, 1, so 0 corresponds to the size and 1 corresponds to the empty, that which means that our stack is empty. So while printing, what it has done is that it has just basically emptied our entire stack. So I would like recommend you to copy our contents present in the stack inside another stack, or you can use this condition at the end, so that your stack gets emptied once you have completed all the necessary operations. So I hope you have found this video useful. I have also done many other STL tutorials in C++ and also many other programming tutorials in C, C++, Java, as well as Blender, the discrete animation, and even in Unity. So do check other videos of my channel, subscribe and support me. Thanks for watching.